Alright, so I'm going to show you two ways that you can add items to a list. One is by using the append, and the other one is using the insert. So for the append, you get the list. In my case, it's called my list dot append, and then whatever element you want. In this case, I want to add Seattle. So now if I print this list again, so if I run this program, you're going to see that I have the original list here, and then the original list plus Seattle. So append always adds at the end. Now the insert, on the other hand, takes two parameters. One is the index where you want to add this. I want to add here index 0, comma, and then the value that you want to insert. So I want to insert value New York. So in other words, index, comma, value. So now if I print this list again, we're going to see that New York got inserted on the beginning of the list. So here we have New York on the beginning of the list. Now, the inserts, because it has the index right here, it gives the flexibility of including this value in different locations of your list. So for example, if I choose number 2 here, you will insert on the second index, not the second location. So Python list is a zero index data structure. That means this index here is 0, this index is 1, and this index is 2. So the insert in this case added on the index number 2, and then the other items got pushed to the right. Alright, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.